Copper is an excellent conductor of electricity and heat. It is ductile and corrosion resistant, making it ideal for electrical wires and tubes. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. It offers good machinability and corrosion resistance and is widely used for utensils, connectors, and fittings. Bronze is mainly copper and tin. Its high hardness and wear resistance make it suitable for bearings, bushes, and gears. Gunmetal contains copper, tin, and zinc. It is pressure tight and resists seawater corrosion, making it useful for valves and pump parts. Bearing metals such as Babbitt provide low friction. They are used as bearing surfaces to support rotating shafts smoothly. Remember, copper is known for conductivity, brass for machinability, bronze for wear resistance, gunmetal for pressure tightness, and Babbitt for low friction.